I'm gonna get you, Justin. All right, who needs a piece of scratch paper? Because you left your scratch paper at home or you don't have one. Who needs a piece? That's fine. But on Clue 5, we're going to need scratch paper because it's a lot of work for Clue 5, and there is not a lot of room to do your work for Clue 5.
I didn't do Clue 5. You did?
All right. Some of you may have finished Clue 5. That's fine. We're fixing to work on it. All right. So, when you are looking at your suspect list, okay, you should have marked out everybody that does not like strawberry donuts. You should have marked out everybody that does not. Let's see.
Wait, strawberry donuts.
Because remember, Clue 2 said what? Mainly strawberry donuts have disappeared. So,
anybody
that likes something other than strawberry had to go out. So Zeno's out, Don Fickle's out, Amaroth is out, Basil, Hazel, Esmeralda, Soraya, and Harry. And it also cannot be a witch. So who else can we mark out?
all the witches. You can watch it. Elsma.
I can mark out Tabitha.
Elsma. Oh no, he's a witch.
All right, now it tells us that there was a wand left behind. So do we keep the wands or do we mark out the wands?
Keep them.
Keep them. So Amelia's had a book. So that's his. Night Bell is out because that one uses an orb. Pinky is out because Pinky uses dust. Merlin uses a staff. Trixie uses dust. So we're left with Pepin, Homer, Lily Twinkle, and Elnora. Not really sure how you say that.
I better know. The last two clues are going to be about. One of them's going to be like a strand of hair from a girl, and you saw a big footprint.
We're going to have to see. So, we are going to do Clue 5 a little bit different. It's really hard to see from the back. So, I'm going to make this really big, like this, okay? But that doesn't leave me any room to do my work. So, I'm going to have to do my work on my flip chart, okay? And I can't write the letters up here, but I'll write the letters in a minute, okay? But I think it's more important for us to see the work than it is for us to see the words, okay? So, let's look at R. And I think I can make R work right here. We have 23 and 44 hundredths times 9. So, I'm going to write times 9 right here underneath. Now, you may not be able to do that. You may not have enough room, and you may need to write this on notebook paper because I made mine really big up here at the front, okay? Now, when we multiply decimals, we only line up the numbers. We do not line up the decimals, all right? So, 9 times 4 is?
20. No. 38.
Get your charts out. 36. Write my 6, carry my 3. 9 times 4 is? 37, 38, 30. Carry my 3. 9 times 3 is? 28, 29. Write my 0, carry my 3. 9 times 2 is? 19, 20, 21. Now, how many numbers do I need behind the decimal? 2. So, is 210 and 96 hundredths an option at the top?
Yes.
Yes. I want you to skip over, and we're going to do B. Okay? I want you to skip over, and we're going to do B. So we have 34 and 9 hundredths times 4. 4 times 9 is 36. Write my 6, carry my 3. 4 times 0 is
0.
plus 3 is
3.
3. 4 times 4 is
16.
write my 6, carry my 1. 4 times 3 is plus 1 is 13. Now, how many numbers do we need behind the decimal?
2.
2. So we have 136 and 36 hundredths. Is that a choice at the top?
Yep.
Yes. I want you to do n by yourself. All right, you should have gotten 381 and 68 hundredths. How many people got that?
I need more time.
I didn't.
What?
I didn't.
Remember, you might need trim paper. Keep your numbers lined up. All right, those are all of the ones that are multiplying by a whole number. Now we're going to move on to multiplying by a decimal number. So let's look at W, all right? Now, because I do not have enough room here, I'm going to have to go and work on this over here, okay? So let's look at W. We have, oh goodness, I don't think that'll work, do y'all?
No. Too big.
91 and 42 hundredths times 2 and 8 tenths. All right, I want everybody to look at this because y'all, I'm still seeing this as a problem, okay? Did I line up my decimals? No. I put one number underneath another number, okay? Now, do we put the long number on the top or do we put the long number on the bottom?
Long number on top.
Long number goes on the top, okay? Every time, long number on the top. It makes our multiplication easier, all right? So, 8 times 2 is,
16.
write down my 6, carry my,
1.
8 times 4 is,
32.
plus 1 is, write my 3, carry my 3. 8 times 1 is,
8.
plus 3 is,
11.
write my 1, carry my 1. 8 times 9 is,
72.
plus 1 is 73. Now I'm going to go to the next row. I'm going to mark out my 8 and put a 0 down here. What else am I going to mark out?
All the carrings.
All the carries. 2 times 2 is
4.
4. 2 times 4 is
8.
2 times 1,
2.
2 times 9.
18. Then you add those.
Now we're going to add them. 6 plus 0 is,
6.
3 plus 4 is,
7.
1 plus 8 is,
9.
3 plus 2 is,
5.
7 plus 8 is, carry my 1. 1 plus 1 is, now I have 1, 2, 3 numbers behind the decimal. So I need 1, 2, 3 numbers behind the decimal.
That's a lot of numbers.
So my answer is 255 and 976 thousandths. Is that an option at the top? Yes.
Yep.
This is W.
Yep, sure is.
All right, let's look at E. We have 8 and 5/10 times 9 and 3/10. I want you to work on that one. What'd you get, Justin?
I got 7,905.
Now, how many numbers do we need behind the decimal?
2.
2. So our answer is 79 and 5/10. Is that an option at the top?
Yes.
Yes.
Yep, sure is.
All right, we were on E. Let's go to
F.
F. I want you to do FAT by yourself. F-A-T, fat. Which one are you on? A? Okay, no, because this is a 9. And you got, have to leave yourself room to work. So go ahead and do F, and then I'll come back. Because you don't know how much room you're gonna need to work that out. And see if you even figured it out without not doing some three. Do you know how many people don't get this? A lot of them. Oh, where are you? F. All right, if you'll look up here, I did F for you. I don't know where I laid my paper down somewhere.
Got him.
Is it 2 or is it 3?
2. I think it's 2. Isn't it 2? Because, look, 9 times 3 is 27. So you write your 7, carry your 2. 9 times 7 is 63, 64, 65. Write my 5, carry my 6. 9 times 4 is 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Let me pause it. You go work it out, and then I'll start it back. All right, now check your A.
Yep.
All right, let me see. I'll pause it.
This one was and this one's ew.
Well, you're gonna have to wait and see. Yes, ma'am.
I have a question.
All right, now, we should have done all of the multiplication problems. Now we're gonna work on the division problems, all right?
Nope, there, we forgot C. That's another
C?
C.
Oh, I did forget C.
Yep.
All right, let's do C. All right, for C, you should have gotten 374 and 976 thousandths. All right, Justin, now can we work on division?
Let me check.
Check behind me.
Yes, we can go to the division.
Huh?
Sure can.
Is there a 5 there?
Yay.
All right. Did I leave my paper with you? Now have we done all the multiplication?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we're good, right?
Maybe. Yeah,
Maybe?
Yes, ma'am, we are.
All right, let's look at O. All right, O, we're dividing 88 and 33 hundredths by 11. When we divide by a whole number, what do we do with our decimal?
Break it up.
Bring it straight up. That's all we do. Bring it straight up. How many times will 11 go into 8?
0.
0. 88.
8.
8 times 11 is
88.
88. Bring down my 3. How many times will 11 go into 3?
9.
None. 0 times 11 is
0.
So how many times will 11 go into 33?
3.
3. 3 times 11 is
33.
33.
0.
All right, I want you to work on U and S. U and S.
S.
Two plus 0 plus 0 is what? 2 plus 4 is 7 plus 4 is 31. So 1 plus 4 4 is 5. So 1 plus 9 is 10. Yep. How many numbers do you need behind the decimal? High five. Got this. Now you want to work on this one? Or do you want to work on this one? Good. What'd you get, Justin?
I got 2.41.
For you?
Yes, ma'am.
How many times will 6 go into 6?
What do you mean? We did 5 into. You said S. Wait, what?
I said U and S.
Oh.
Okay, did you do U or you didn't do U
Oh,
yet?
I'm doing S. I got confused.
I was like, wait a minute, Justin.
I was like,
Who has you done? Aubrey, tell me.
I have it done, but
Ooh.
8, the O isn't on there. Like the thing we got for it's not on there. It is.
I was like, what kind of math you doing?
10 and 0 now.
It's right here. The first one on the on the third row.
Okay.
All right, Caitlin, tell me.
10 and 0, 9.
Ten and 900. Yes, ma'am. Good job. All right, now, Justin, is your time to shine, friend.
Wait,
What'd you get?
I got 2 decimal 42. I mean 2 decimal 41.
What? Dude.
2 decimal 41. See, 5, 12.
Where's the decimal? Between the what? Between the 0 and the 5. You don't have your decimal. Should be 24 and 1/10. You didn't put your decimal. See, there's a decimal right there.
Oh.
You got the right numbers. I'd rather have $241 than $24.10, wouldn't you?
Definitely.
Definitely. So do decimals matter?
Yep.
Yes, decimals matter. All right, let's look at H. I don't care where you are right now. I want everybody to look at H. Okay? Now, I didn't mean to do that. Can we divide like this?
No.
No. What do we have to do?
Move the decimal to the right.
So our divisor out here must be a whole number. So if we move it in the divisor, what must we do in the dividend?
Move it to
Move it to. Now what do we need to do?
rewrite it.
Rewrite it. Because we do not like it to be messy. And bring my decimal straight up. All right, how many times will 5 go into 5? Once. 5 times 1 is 5. Bring down my 0. How many times will 5 go into 0?
0.
Bring down my 7. How many times will 5 go into 7?
Once.
1 times 5 is
5.
Once.
Justin, you are on fire today. Is that an answer choice at the top? 1,015 and 1/10.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is H.
That is H. All right, let's look at Z.
I lost it.
Huh?
I lost it.
You lost it. You lost what?
I found the H where the H is supposed to go, but then I lost it again.
The H is supposed to go beside
I found it. Oh, I don't know. That's funny.
All right, here. What do we need to do first?
Move the decimal.
Move the decimal over once. And if we do it in the divisor, we have to what?
Do it in the dividend.
Do it in the dividend.
The dividend.
All right, I want you to work on that one.
Y'all get it?
Huh?
It sounded like a chicken was in there, like. I don't know what that was.
It was my chair.
Wait, what did I just do?
And print your multiplication chart. All right, rewrite it. Can't do it like this. Rewrite it. Okay, you need 11 on the outside. And then, I don't know what you got one in here. Move it to behind the one, okay, right? One, that's one, two, one. Whose pencil is this? Right, I'll write it on the bottom. It'll work. All right, Caitlin, what'd you get?
Which one we do?
Z.
60.11.
That's what I got. Let's go.
60 and 11 hundredths is what you should have gotten. All right, you have about 15 minutes, and I want you to work to finish this clue, okay? And I'm going to be walking around and checking your work.